Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Geography 102, Cultural Geography. My name is Samuel Cortez, and I'm your instructor for the class. We are scheduled to officially start our class today, Monday, April 2nd, 2018. You can go to https the sdccd.blackboard.com to log into the course. There you will find all of the information to get you started with the course. You will also find the syllabus, which has valuable information about the content of the course, as well as about materials such as textbooks that you will need for this class. This is an intense 8-week course, and as a result, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and reflections are due weekly. So I urge you to log in immediately and engage with the course. Remember that this is a fully online class, and students will be required to complete weekly assignments in a virtual environment. It should have regular and reliable access to a computer with internet connection. I'm excited and eager to start the class. I hope you are too. This course provides an introduction to cultural geography by exploring pressing global issues including environmental decline, population growth, food security, economic crisis, migration, identity politics, war, and urbanization. In an increased globalized world, these issues have impacts upon all of our lives. Whether we live in San Diego, Bogota, Mumbai, or Tokyo, by exploring these topics through the lens of cultural geography, we will uncover how spatial interconnections and geographical interdependence shape the world as we know it. We will further understand how individual actions at the local scale have social, cultural, and economic impacts around the world. In conjunction with lectures, course materials will be covered through readings, mapping assignments, online discussions, written assignments, and videos. This is the reason why we geographers emphatically say that geography matters. I hope that by the end of this course, you'll understand why geography matters as well. I am looking forward to meeting all of you online, and I look forward to a great class. Please feel free to contact me with any questions you may have. You can contact me via Blackboard or by emailing me at scortez@sdccd.edu. Looking forward to meeting you all. Sincerely, Samuel Cortez.